All right, on this episode of Mendoza Monday, we're going to be talking about irrigation fittings that we stock here at Summit. We're going to be talking about galvanized. We're going to be talking about heavy-duty steel. We're going to be talking about reducers. We're going to be talking about fittings for remote hose. Stay tuned. Okay, first of the commonly used fittings in the industry is the 8-to-6 reducer. Here's an example of a customer's 8-to-6 reducer. It's a different quality reducer. I'm not too sure who builds it, but here at Summit we weld in-house. Ours are steel. So this is a commonly used fitting for this truck. 8-to-6 reducer. We have plenty of stock. Let us know if you need it. Next we have remote hose fittings. And I know everybody in the industry loves remote hose. Here at Summit we have remote hose fittings, like a 6-inch to 4-inch NBT. We also have the 6-inch by 6-inch NBT. And next we have the 8 to 4-inch NBT. So pretty much all fittings we stock here at Summit, so give us a call. Here we are on top of a customer's truck. Today we're going to be discussing the most commonly used fitting that I sell is the 8x flange female, and you'll see the modifications we made to make it a little bit better. All right, so here we are. Here's what the 8x flange female looks like, as if it would be in the truck. Here it is. Here's the male fitting that goes into your boom hose, and as you can see, this is a well-used fitting, but we made it a shorter neck and slits on the side. The slits on the side are made so you can put them on tornado units. We shorten the neck so this fitting will wear out less, as this male fitting will wear out before this female fitting. And as you can see, customers like it, and we have plenty of stock. Now, in this segment, we're going to be talking about boom hose inserts and clamps. So these are the most commonly used boom inserts for your boom hose. So this is going to go, this male piece will go here, male, and then we have the female on this side. Commonly asked questions, what's the type of best clamps? Some guys use these heavy-duty clamps, but you can also use these cheap little bag clamps. And you can put two per side, and a self-tapping screw once these are inserted. Option B, if you guys need something, if you find out these fittings wear a lot easier, you can always go with the heavy-duty steel, male and female. These are quite popular as guys hate switching out the lower quality aluminum ends. So we have them both male and female. And how do we get them in and out of this boom hose? Most guys usually use the old Hakutua method, or you use Dawn dish soap. I find that it's the best. It gets them in and out. Usually these barb fittings, once they're in, they're not coming out. So this is kind of a one and done deal, unless you want to cut some glue. Right. If you like what you see, give us a shout here at Summit Truck Equipment Canada, where you have locations in Red Deer, Alberta, Canada. Eastern Canada is in Bradford. We have an endless supply of irrigation fittings for all your hydrovac needs. We're on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Give us a call. We want to help you out. All right, on this episode. All right, next we have old-fashioned method, which is Hakutua or Dawn dish soap. Go Dawn dish soap, because I know how gross it is out in the industry. Anyways,